Assalamu alaikum. Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Dear students, as you know that according to this pandemic of coronavirus, our schools are closed, but our teaching, our learning is not stopped. Garrison School System is providing you the facility of online study for our student of Little Angels. So students, before starting our lecture, a short message to my all little angels that wash your hands again and again, take bath regularly, stay at home and stay safe. Okay student, before I start my lecture, I show you a book. It's a class 2 book, Maths Wise. Okay. It's unit number 1, assess and reason of 1. Okay. In this unit, all concepts that we are taught you in class 1, same things we assess from you, that what topics you learn in previous classes. It's a just recalling of class 1 concepts. Okay students? Okay, look at the page number 2 students. Here is a missing numbers activity again that we have learned in previous classes also, and you know about these numbers. Here some numbers are given on the book and some boxes are missed. There we write the missing numbers. Okay, let's start counting with me. Like start from 1. 1 is written here, 2 is also written here. Next 3 blocks are missed. Okay, now students tell me what comes after 2. What comes after 2? Yes, 3. After 2, 3 we write here. What comes after 3? 4. And same like that, what comes after 4? Yes, it's 5. So student, same like I have done on my book, you have done this full activity at your home by the help of your parents. Okay? Okay student, see page number 3. Here are concept of more and less. Okay? Okay student, look at page number 3. Write more or less. On this page we have done the concept of more and less. Okay? Do you know what numbers are more and what are less? I will tell you on the board. Given some examples. Okay, look at the board students with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many these apples are? These are 3 apples. We write here. Now count on other side. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3. Oh student, these are 3 apples as we count previous. Okay, let's start counting next. 4. Again 1 apple is more here. Let's 5. Yes, these are 5 apples. It means these are more than this one. Okay, so we write here more, M-O-R-E, more. These are more apples and these are less apples. Okay student, as I give example on the board, same like that we have done page number 3, more or less. Okay student, here first check the first line. Here we write 18 is dash then 15. Here already done more. It's mean 18 is a greater number than 15. Okay, same like that we come on the next line. 9 is dash then 11. Now student tell me, 9 is more than 11 or 9 is less than 11. Okay, check this number line. Here is also a number line. We check where is 9? Yes, 9 is here and 11 after one number there is 11. It means 9 is less than 11. So what we write here? Less. L-E-S-S, less. As we write on the board spelling of less. Okay student? So you have done this full page at your home with the help of your parents. Okay students? Yes student. Now move on next page. Is page number 4. Okay. Read the statement, count each set of objects and write the numbers and number name. Okay students, here are some objects in first box and after that two boxes are here. In second box we write the number and in third we write the number name. Okay students, let's start counting with me. It's very easy, so I have not given you example on the board. Okay, so that's why you have done on your book. It's very easy. Now in first box there are a lot of lines. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes student, how many these lines are? 10. Yes, we write 10 in front of line box. 1, 0, 10. Okay, it's a number. And after that we write the number name, means spelling of 10. Okay, T-E-N, 10. We write here 10. Okay student, hope you understand this page and you have to done at home by yourself. Okay. Okay student, move on next page. It's page number 5. Read the statement, beginning at the bottom of each letter, fill the space by writing number in ascending order. Okay. Here are 4 letters, okay, as you shown on your books. Okay, we have to solve it. I solved first example on the board and other you have done at your home. Okay, so watch it carefully. As we read from book that we start counting ascending order, we start from the bottom. Ascending, do you know what is the ascending means? Ascending means to move from lower to higher. Okay, means you start from first ladder to a last point. Okay, now start with me. Write counting 15. What comes after 15? We move upward. So we write what comes after 15. 15 के बाद क्या आता है? हमें बोर्ड नंबर राइट करना होगा. 15, 16. Yes student, here we write 16. What comes after 16? 17. Same like that we have done from at the top. 18. What comes after 18? It's 19. What comes after 19? It's 20. And what comes after 20? 21. And what comes after 21? Is 22. And what comes after 22 is 23. Okay, we fill all the stairs by putting ascending order numbers. Okay. Okay student, we have done this on board. It's the example of from book page 5. Okay students, same like that I have done this question on board for you and other 3 you have done at your home. Now move on next page. It's page number 6. Yes student, have you opened your page number 6? Yes. Okay student, here is the same concept but here descending concept is adding. Okay, first we read our statement. What is our statement? Fill in the numbers in ascending order from the head to the tail. Here are 2 colors of snakes, in yellow color, in green color. Okay, it's a concept of ascending. As I told you before, what is the ascending number? Okay, ascending means move from lower number to higher number. Okay students, these 2 snakes we have done same like that concept. Okay, here a snake. They said that you start writing counting from head to tail. Head, here is a head of snake and here is writing of 75. We write 76. 2 numbers are written on it and other are blank. Okay, what comes after 76? It's 77 and after 77, 78, 79, 80. After 80, the 2 numbers are already written. Same like that, you have solved these 2 snakes. Okay students? Because I told you clearly what is ascending order. but it's a little bit confused for you. I show you example on the board of descending order. Okay, student? Descend. Descending order. Okay. Same like that. In ascending we move bottom to top. Bottom to top हमने move किया. And descending we move from upward stair to downward stair. Means first we write like here we write 23. ठीक है. In ascending we write from 15 to 23, but in descending we move downward. First we write the larger number, bigger number, 23. Okay, and what comes before 23? It's 22. And what comes before 22? It's 21. In short, it is your backward counting. Okay, students, as we learned in previous classes, what is a backward counting? Teacher said that start counting from 10. We said 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. These are the backward counting, as well as we also know it descending order. जैसे कि as I told you, according to ascending order, same like that we have done descending order. Here we start from tail to head. Okay, student. Now same like that we have done full page at home. Now move. Okay, student. Move on next page. It's page number 7. Here we have 4 solving problems. Okay. 2 are according to addition and 2 are for subtractions. Okay, as you know what we do in addition. Addition means add both sides. Okay, all together. Okay, take one example from our book. Let's start count with me. Here is a hen. How many hens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many hens are here? 10. And 10 is also written on your books. Okay, student. And here we are not counting it because your answer is written below. Okay. These are 23 hens and these are 10 hens. Then student, how you get the answer of the total answer by adding all these. Okay, student. We all together these hens and these hens. Okay. We collect it and count in one time on both sides. So student, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yes. How many altogether these hens are? It's 33. We write number 33 here. Here we write the answer after altogether these hens. Okay, student. This is the one method where how to collect all hens. Here is also a problem solving question here. We use lines. Okay. 0 means nothing, as I told you in one class. Now here is a 3 number. We draw 3 lines here, like 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 0. Here is no line. Then what is the answer of this side? 3. We write 3 here, and we draw now we solve other side. Here is a 1. We draw 1 line. Here is a 2, number 2 written on it. We draw 2 lines. Now collect all the lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What answer we get? 3. We write 3 here. Now student, check that your answer is right after solving both patterns. Okay. We count all hens together. We get 33 number. Is it? And after drawing lines and when we add it, we answer is 33, similar to the last one answer. Okay, student. and you have now next question of addition you have done by yourself. Come on the next question. It's a subtraction. Okay student, these two questions are according to subtraction. Here are some hats. Okay, these are 18 hats and these are 12. In this statement they said these are total 18 hats and we subtract 12 means we left 12 hats. 12 hats को हमने out कर देना है. तो कैसे out करेंगे? यहाँ इन्होंने लाइन लगा दी है. Here are lines are drawn. ठीक है? Now check without crossing how many hats are left. These are all crossed. Now count these hats which are not crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, how many hats are left after subtracting this statement? 6 hats we have. Okay. Now here is a 18 and here is a 12 number. Same like that we have done in last addition question. We draw lines, but there is a little bit difference. Okay. First I tell you that draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lines drawn? 8. Okay. In addition, we make lines, draw lines on both numbers, with both numbers. But here we are subtracting from bigger number. Okay. So we don't draw the lines on with both numbers. Okay. We draw with the larger number. Okay. And after that we subtract it. We outlines the below number according to below number. Here is a 2. It means we left 2 lines. Then how many lines left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many number left? 6. Yes, we write 6 here. 1 minus 1. It's mean if we out 1 from 1, our answer is 0. So there is no number here. And last question is also similar to this question you have done at your home. The last page, I think you people are getting bored now. So let's play a game with Kelly. Kelly the cow. What Kelly is saying, look at the picture. Oh, it holds some colors in his mouth. Actually, it wants to color in shape with the help Kelly in coloring. Yes, that's great. So let's color in pictures. Students, as I show, here is a Kelly. Kelly have a 6 color in her mouth, sorry. So we have colored all these, and same like that this activity I have done on board. Okay, let's start. Okay student, look at the board. We have the Kelly to doing colors. On your book that you have seen before, that there's a lot of shapes are drawn on that. Okay, Kelly said that do color, search out the eggs and you use yellow color. Look at the board, I have already done. Look at this, there are 2 eggs I found from my book and I do color. Okay, same like that Kelly said that Kelly want to color purple in circles. Yes, I have searched 5 circles. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 colors in purple that Kelly also want to do. Same like that, I have done this full activity. And I am also helping Kelly to do coloring. Hope people you are enjoying it. Okay student, today's lesson is over. I hope all of you enjoying the lesson along with learning. If you have any query or issue regarding your lectures, then please WhatsApp us. Okay students, now I also mentioned your homework on the board. So you have to done the homework at home by the help of your parents or tutor. Okay student, hope you follow the instructions that I have given in the start of our lecture. Which one that is that you have to wash your hands again and again, take bath regularly and stay at home and stay safe. I hope you follow our rules and regulations at home as well you follow in school. Okay student, this is your homework I mentioned on the board. Okay, do practice of unit number 1 that we have done today and learn table of 2, counting in words 102 to 1010. And according to counting, I will send you WhatsApp on WhatsApp picture. You follow this counting from there. Okay students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.